Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a Moroccan tagine, chicken tagine or Berber tagine with chicken and vegetables. Any vegetables you have home, you can use it on this tagine. It's delicious and nutritious and very easy to make. It's a one-pot dinner. You will love this recipe. Stay with me to see all the steps. First step, we take the tagine. Usually in Morocco, we cook on the clay tagine if you want to make tagine. This is a stainless steel tagine, or you can cook it on your regular pot. I put the olive oil first, then a red onion, I slice it. Then I will cook it a little bit until it become, for a few minutes, transparent. Before that, I add the chicken, as you see here. But cooking in the clay tagine is really have different flavor. Then I add a cut up chicken. Of course, I clean the chicken, strain it. Before that, I add it here. Then I will add the spices, salt to taste, depend on the quantity that you have. And also I will add the preserved lemon. Is a little bit salty, and the inside of this lemon I cut it into small pieces. Preserved lemon. For the video, I have the video on my channel how to preserve lemon. It's also easy. Some black pepper, not a lot, and garlic. You can add garlic powder, or you can add fresh garlic. Whatever you have is good. Some ginger. This is a homemade ginger. I had fresh ginger. I dried it. I have also the video how to dry ginger at home. Then I ground it. The turmeric the same way, is a homemade turmeric, this one. Then I mix everything to coat all the chicken with the spices. We have to brown it from both sides, the chicken, and have all the spices on it. Before that, we start adding the vegetables. We always do this first, like coat it from all the sides with spices and brown it a little bit from all the sides also. I will cover it a little bit. Now I will turn again to the other side. The same thing, if you won't do it with lamb, you will do the same thing. It's only with the lamb, it will take a little bit longer than chicken. Now I will add cut up tomatoes. I took the skin off and I cut it into small pieces. Leave it another few minutes. Before that, I add the vegetables. For the vegetables, I have sweet potatoes, carrots, and green squash or zucchini. I will add the same spices that I add to the chicken, add it to the vegetables. A little bit from each spice: salt, pepper, garlic, turmeric, and ginger. Because when we put this vegetable on top of the chicken, we will not mix nothing on this tagine. And I have here a little bit of fresh chopped parsley and some olive oil. That's it, and I will mix everything. I will use my hands. The hands mix better everything. Mix it really good. Before that, we add it on the top of the chicken. And this is my vegetables. If you have green peas, or you have broccoli, you have any other vegetables, you can add it. I'm flipping the chicken one more time. the last time before I add the vegetables. You see. And the vegetables, I cut all of them long way, like that. When I put them in the tagine, they looking nice. We don't cut the vegetables very small on the tagine usually. We cut them a little bit big and a long way, like that. When they cook, they stay looking nice and don't be mushy. I put my carrots first, then my sweet potatoes here, then the potatoes. I put in now each color, one orange, one white or green. Yes, this way. This is how we put the vegetables on tagine when we want to cook any tagine: lamb tagine, beef tagine, or chicken tagine. And the decoration is up to you. Then I put the zucchini the last, because zucchini don't take that long to cook. Always put the vegetables that need more time first. I add the rest of the spices on the top. Then the preserved lemon that I sliced. That gives the tagine a very nice flavor. If you don't have this, you can slice lemon and put the slices on the top, very thin slices. And I drizzle a little bit of olive oil. For this tagine, I'm not adding no water to it, because the onions, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, zucchini, all of them will have their own liquid in the tagine. I will check in between if I need any liquid. I can add a little bit of water. I cook this tagine in a very low heat. Don't mix nothing until it's well done. As you see here, it was all the vegetables very tender, the chicken tender, and I didn't add no liquid. The liquid from the vegetables was enough to cook everything, but it's very important to cook it in a low heat. If you make it in a high, it will burn and you will need some liquid. It will not be good. And that's the final results. It's so delicious and nutritious, very colorful, and also healthy. It's a one-pot dinner, chicken tagine or Berber tagine. I hope you try this tagine. Let me know in the comments how did you like it, and see you next time in a new recipe and new video. Enjoy!